I get up and I take my little cup. I see my mom, I greet my dad, because our home is warm and glad. I know my name, I know your name. We learn English like a game. I want to speak, I try each day, and these verbs never go away. I help my mother every day. I love my brother when we play. I don't forget, I always try. These little verbs can touch the sky. Do you help your family? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you use these verbs with me? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I give my sister a pencil and she finds her book. My father tells a story and we watch and look. My mother asks a question so I answer her. I need my family because they help me learn. I like my home, I love my room, but I don't like noise. My cousins often visit us and we share our toys. I help my mother every day. I love my brother when we play. I don't forget, I always try. These little verbs can touch the sky. Do you help your family? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you use these verbs with me? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Every evening I call my grandma and I ask, how are you? She says, I feel happy because I talk to you. I remember my teacher, but I forget my pen. I understand the lesson, so I try again. My brother keeps his promise, he never tells a lie. My sister leaves the table, but she says goodbye. I put my bag near the door and I watch TV. My father doesn't hate hard work, he loves our family. Do you thank your mother? Yes, I thank my mother. Do you forgive your brother? Yes, I forgive my brother. Does she support her sister? Yes, she supports her sister. Does he respect his teacher? Yes, he respects his teacher. Do they greet their neighbors? Yes, they greet their neighbors. Do we always help our friends? Yes, we help them when we can. Every week we clean the house and we cook with care. My mom washes the dishes and I help her there. On weekends we buy some bread and Dad pays at the store. He brings the bags, I hold the door, because I love him more. I send a message to my friend and I receive one too. I show my picture to my aunt because she likes it too. I choose my clothes every morning, but I don't choose too slow. We build good habits every day, and little by little we grow. Sometimes I make mistakes, but my teacher corrects me. Sometimes I guess the answer and she smiles at me. I notice little problems and I handle them. My dad reminds me kindly, so I try again. I realize my family cares. I value every day. I don't blame my little brother when he breaks my clay. I protect my sister and I never push or fight. I warn my brother softly because I know what's right. I touch my dog gently and I hug him every night. I miss my uncle sometimes, but I know he is alright. My mother covers me when cold nights come around. My father reaches for my hand and lifts me from the ground. I imagine a bright future and I wish for happy days. I motivate my friends at school and I praise their little ways. I appreciate my family because they help me grow. I include my friends in games so nobody feels alone. I offer help, I accept help, and I allow good words. I invite my cousins often and we sing like little birds. I follow rules, I teach my friend, and sometimes impress my teacher when I read.